finally we'll launch our brand new Suzuki Jimny commercial, styled by Seeker. It's took quite a long time to get this to the production line because we're waiting for parts. So it's had a very expensive 2-inch lift kit. We've gone for the best one on the market, as we feel it gives it a better ride. So we've had to put bigger wheels on. It's as big as we can get them, so they look absolutely amazing with mud terrain tyres. All the plastics have been painted in eyegloss, and normally these here come in a matte finish, so we've took them all off and painted them in eyegloss. We've added a Land Rover style grille, looks absolutely amazing. Light protectors, but wait for this. We've added heated leather seats, genuine Suzuki seats, and we've added heated leather to them. And in the rear, we've added a seat conversion, again using a genuine Suzuki Jimny rear seat. So you've got all the benefits of a commercial with a rear seat. So you can get your VAT back and get your benefits in kind. And the seat works fantastic, just folds straight down. There you go. So come and see it. It's going on sale for $29,950 plus VAT, brand new. You can put it through your business. You get all the commercial benefits. Looks absolutely amazing, and it's the only one in the UK with a full genuine Suzuki seat conversion. Give us a like. Visit Seeker UK.